best rain repellent windshield sprays enhance driving safety by improving visibility, reducing glare, and repelling water during heavy rain. My today's video is about top 5 best rain repellent windshield sprays that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ceramic rain repellent windshield. Experience unparalleled clarity and safety with this advanced rain repellent windshield spray. Its superior hydrophobic ceramic formula forms an invisible, ultra-slick barrier on your glass, causing rain, sleet, and snow to beat up and slide away instantly. This dramatically improves visibility, reducing reliance on wipers and eliminating streaks or dangerous wiper hop, giving you a safer, clearer view of the road. The long-lasting nano-ceramic coating chemically bonds to your windshield, offering months of protection against water, dirt, bug splatter, and road grime. Beyond rain protection, it makes cleaning effortless, as water and debris cannot adhere to the treated surface. Unlike temporary sprays, it delivers a true ceramic coating with a crystal clear, invisible finish, no residue, haze, or sticky film. Ideal for all weather conditions, this spray enhances both driving safety and convenience, transforming your windshield into a self-protecting, easy-to-maintain surface while providing peace of mind on every drive. Now our second product is glass coating spray for car windshield. Stay safe and confident on the road with this advanced hydrophobic windshield spray, engineered to provide superior water-repellent protection. Its innovative formula forms an invisible barrier on glass surfaces, causing rain to beat up and roll off quickly, dramatically enhancing visibility in heavy rain. This ensures a clearer, safer view of the road, reducing reliance on wipers and minimizing streaks or haze. Beyond rain protection, it offers anti-fog and UV defense, helping prevent interior fogging while filtering harmful UV rays to maintain crystal-clear glass. Its extended performance lasts up to 30 days per application, outlasting many traditional repellents and providing long-lasting convenience. Ideal for windshields, side windows, and mirrors, it delivers consistent protection across all glass surfaces. Application is effortless, simply clean, spray, and wipe, with no special tools required. This product not only improves driving safety in all weather conditions but also keeps your glass easier to maintain, streak-free, and clear, making it an essential addition to any vehicle care routine. Our third product is water repellent and anti-fog spray for car. Elevate your driving safety with Alexbetu's advanced rain repellent, designed to deliver long-lasting protection and unmatched water-beating performance. Its innovative formula bonds deeply with your glass, creating a durable protective layer that withstands harsh weather conditions and repeated washes, far outperforming ordinary rain repellents. Once applied, rainwater beads up and rolls off your windshield effortlessly, keeping your view crystal clear mile after mile. Alexbetu turns dangerous downpours into a manageable, almost gentle mist, dramatically improving visibility even at speeds as low as 35 miles per hour. By reducing glare and minimizing the need for wiper use, it enhances both comfort and safety during every drive. This product provides a consistent, reliable shield against rain, sleet, and road spray, allowing you to focus on the road ahead with confidence. Ideal for all weather conditions, Alexbetu ensures a safer, more comfortable driving experience while maintaining streak-free, clear glass, making it an essential upgrade for any vehicle. Now number 4, Rain X800 002243 Glass Treatment. Keep your vehicle's glass and headlights looking pristine with this all-in-one restoration and cleaning solution. Specifically formulated to restore headlights and clear plastics, it effectively removes haze, yellowing, and discoloration, bringing back original clarity. Its heavy-duty glass cleaner gently yet thoroughly strips away stubborn residue, dirt, bugs, road film, and grime, leaving windshields and windows spotless. By removing these buildups, it enhances driving visibility and improves the performance of your wiper blades, reducing streaks and smears for safer, clearer vision in all conditions. This solution also serves as an ideal prep for Rain X original treatment, ensuring optimal adhesion and performance of water-repellent coatings. Packaged in a convenient 7 ounces bottle, it is easy to handle and apply, making routine maintenance simple and effective. Perfect for anyone looking to revive dull headlights, clean glass thoroughly, and boost overall driving safety, this product combines powerful cleaning with practical protection, ensuring every drive is clearer, safer, and more confident. And our last choice is 2PCS Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush. Ensure safer, more comfortable driving in all weather with this advanced car glass oil film cleaner. Designed to tackle both oil residue and fogging, it creates an invisible protective layer that reduces rainwater adhesion and prevents interior and exterior fog buildup, providing consistently clear vision on rainy or humid days. This not only enhances visibility but also improves overall driving safety, giving you confidence behind the wheel. Application is simple and convenient. After cleaning surface impurities and dust, open the lid and press the circular sponge several times to release the cleaning liquid. Spread it evenly across your car glass, then rinse with clean water for a streak-free finish. Beyond immediate clarity, it offers long-term protection, forming a durable barrier that keeps your windshield cleaner for longer periods. This means less frequent cleaning, reduced maintenance, and sustained visibility. Combining ease of use, effective oil and fog removal, and extended protection, this product is a must-have for drivers seeking a safer, clearer, and more comfortable driving experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.